happens when someone dies on Earth. But what if you died on Mars, or Jupiter, or a blazing hot planet orbiting two suns? Would your body rot, freeze, vanish instantly into the void? What would become of it? First, let's go to Mars. The red planet has an extremely thin atmosphere, which means there's almost no oxygen. It starts to suffocate almost immediately. But it gets worse. The lack of atmosphere also means there's no air pressure to keep water in liquid form. So you'd be dehydrated in a flash, turning your body into a frozen, mummified shell. And because there's no bacteria on Mars to decompose your body, you can stay there for thousands of years. Okay, let's visit Venus. The planet's surface is a scorching 470 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is 90 times that of Earth. You'd be met with clouds of sulfuric acid, so it will burn your skin in a matter of seconds. Your body would be crushed and baked, and within minutes, reduced to ash-like remnants. Next, let's swing by the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. These planets don't have a solid surface. They're made of endless gas and storms. If you fell into one of their colossal storms, you'd be met with extreme pressure that would crush your body long before you reached any kind of core. Jupiter and Saturn also have lightning storms that could strike you, and the most bizarre thing, metallic hydrogen. That's a mystery. Even if your body managed to make it to the core, you wouldn't leave a corpse, just scattered atoms. Now, we're off to Europa or Enceladus. These moons are covered in ice. You freeze instantly and be preserved in crystal clear ice like a frozen statue. There's a possibility of alien oceans beneath the surface. So maybe some tiny life forms would feast on your remains. Let's also talk about exoplanets. There are all kinds of bizarre worlds out there. Hot Jupiters are gas giants that orbit close to their stars. You'd be vaporized in moments by the intense radiation. Then there are super Earths, which have higher gravity than our planet. If you were to die on such a planet, your body would be crushed under its own weight. Some exoplanets are tidally locked, meaning one side is an eternal day and the other an eternal night. On the day side, you'd be burnt to dust. On the night side, you'd be an eternal frozen tomb. And finally, let's approach a black hole. As you approach the event horizon, gravity would start to tear your body apart, stretching you into atoms. Technically, there'd be no body left. You'd be just scattered particles. So whether you die on Earth or somewhere else in the cosmos, death is not the end of the body. It's the beginning of something else. A frozen relic, scattered atoms, or eternal dust among the stars. We keep searching for life out there because we know what it's like to die on Earth. But death is just another way to experience the universe. In the end, we're all just stardust. My name is Anonymous. This is my channel. And this is our digital channel.